In late 2023, it was announced that SmileDirectClub was going out of business. The shocking move left over 2 million of their customers high and dry with half-finished aligner treatments and those who have completed the teeth shifting without a SmileDirectClub retainer. Many customers are worried about their teeth shifting back whether they have completed the treatments or not. Wearing a retainer will keep the teeth in place while you find a solution to continue your aligner treatment from a professional dentist. Retainers are worn after a dentist or SmileDirectClub has properly shifted teeth using aligners or braces. These devices are clear and prevent teeth from shifting back to their natural position. Teeth will always want to shift back because they have a phenomenon called elastic memory. The teeth will return to their previous placement no matter how long it's been since you've had them shifted. A SmileDirectClub retainer would have prevented your teeth from moving, but with SmileDirectClub going out of business, where can you receive a replacement retainer from a trusted company? Sporting Smiles has been in business since 2009, 5 years before SmileDirectClub started in 2014. While SmileDirectClub crafted aligner treatments and then provided customers with retainers, Sporting Smiles only crafts retainers to prevent teeth from shifting. We leave the teeth shifting to the experts in the dental field. You should always visit your dentist or orthodontist for consultations and teeth shifting treatments. As retainers don't shift teeth, Sporting Smiles has mastered the art of premium retainers. Getting a replacement SmileDirectClub retainer starts with seeing if you can get a digital scan of your teeth from them. If you have it on hand, Sporting Smiles can craft you a retainer from it. We also accept molds that have been previously made by a dentist or potentially SmileDirectClub. If you don't have a scan or your molds, don't worry. Sporting Smiles has a patented impression kit that we will send out to our customers. By taking impressions at home and sending them back with free shipping, our team can craft you a replacement SmileDirectClub retainer. If you've finished your aligner treatments from SmileDirectClub, or if you will be soon, you'll need a retainer. By ordering one from Sporting Smiles, you will protect your teeth from shifting back and wasting thousands of dollars to achieve that perfect smile. If you are in the process of finding a new provider for aligners because SmileDirectClub has closed, we still recommend ordering a retainer to prevent your teeth from shifting. Doing so will save you money in the long run, as your aligner treatments won't take as long once you find a new provider. Getting a replacement SmileDirectClub retainer is key in keeping that perfect smile. Sporting Smiles offers a variety of ways, and we can digitally scan in your impressions and keep them on file for life, so you can reorder a retainer whenever you need. With our reorders, you'll receive up to 35% off, giving repeat customers a little reward. Again, we can craft retainers from STL files, digital scans, molds, and of course, from our impression kit. While SmileDirectClub left many people picking up the pieces to their teeth treatment plan, Sporting Smiles can help keep your teeth in place once you've completed aligners or braces. Or you can order a replacement SmileDirectClub retainer to keep your teeth in place while you search for a dentist to continue your shifting. Sporting Smiles has been in business since 2009, crafting retainers. We've served over 1 million people worldwide, and we do not shift teeth. Our business is as strong as ever, so you don't have to worry about losing an online dental provider as you would with other companies like SmileDirectClub. If you're interested in ordering a replacement retainer from Sporting Smiles, all you have to do is click the link below.